In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import points to Civil 3D. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring survey or design point data into your drawing quickly and reliably using the built-in Create Points from File workflow. Start by opening your Civil 3D drawing. If you're working on a live project, it's a good idea to save a copy first so you can test your import and roll back if needed. Also, make sure your drawing's units and overall settings match your data source. For example, if your points were collected in feet, your drawing should be set to feet as well. Keeping those consistent helps avoid scaling surprises after import. Next, go to the Insert tab along the ribbon. In the Points panel, choose Create Points from File. This command is designed specifically to read structured point data and translate it into Civil 3D points with the correct elevation, description, and labeling all in one pass. If you don't see the Points panel, ensure you're in a Civil 3D workspace rather than plain AutoCAD. Now choose your point file. Civil 3D accepts common formats like CSV and TXT, among others. Browse to your file location and select it. If the file was recently edited in a spreadsheet, make sure it's closed before you import so there's no file lock or formatting issue. A clean, consistently formatted file saves time during mapping. After selecting the file, pick the correct point file format and adjust settings as needed. This is the most important step. Match the format to your file's column order, such as PNESD, which stands for point number, northing, easting, elevation, and description, or another pattern your data follows. Confirm the delimiter, like comma or tab, and whether the first line is a header that should be ignored. Use the preview, if available, to verify that northings, eastings, and elevations fall into the right fields and that descriptions look correct. While you're here, refine options for duplicate point numbers. Choose whether to ignore, overwrite, or renumber based on your project standards. You can also apply default point and label styles, and if your organization uses description keys, enable them to automate symbology and labeling. These settings help your points come in clean and readably labeled from the start. When everything looks right, complete the import. Civil 3D will create points in your drawing at their proper locations and elevations. If you don't immediately see them, zoom to the extents of your drawing to bring them into view. That's it. Your points are now ready for quality checks, point groups, surfaces, and the rest of your design workflow.